Are you gonna go through the tunnel, Joseph? Huh? Are you gonna come through? Let's see what's going on. Are you gonna come through? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? What is this for? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You wanna crawl through the tunnel? Yeah, maybe another time. Hey, Joseph. Joseph. Mommy loves you.